Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for coming. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be talking to you a little bit around the Internet of Things. And this presentation is, I've mentioned the genius of things because within IBM, what we have done is try to expand the IoT out beyond immediately being IBM and really looking to initiate an innovative ecosystem with partners, customers, etc. And this is what we really refer to as the genius of things, because we understand that we alone cannot do everything and we don't have all the insights or maybe the expertise. And so what we're really trying to do is build this ecosystem, and that for us is the genius of things, just to, I guess, differentiate. So I've used a couple of slides this morning, so some of these statistics will already be known to you from this morning, but just, I suppose, a quick recap is that really what we're seeing is an exponential growth in the investment in IoT, and talking about trillions of dollars, obviously. And the time frame is quite relevant. This is not 2030, 2040. We're talking about in the next 2 and 3 years. And as we mentioned this morning, the key, I suppose, industries that are investing are manufacturing, transportation, and utilities. And also, we're going to see quite a huge investment in the area of consumer IoT. And interestingly as well, what we're seeing is investment in what we would say, I suppose, cross markets. So in the area of connected vehicles and smart buildings also. And this is also a key segment that we're going to see investment in across that the same life cycle as we've seen with the key industries. So 2015 to 2020, as much as there's focus on key industries, there's also very much a focus and investment in cross industries. And the industries that are expected to benefit the most from this are insurance, the consumer industry, healthcare, and retail. So I might just move it along. Okay, so I guess one of the things as well about IoT is what we're doing now is creating this vast amount of data. And this data is geotagged, it's continual. So as we mentioned this morning, this idea of sensors, sensing occupancy in meeting rooms, it's continual data that's being generated. And really, we're not able to unlock the majority, or even really a fraction. I mean, 12% of that data is actually quite small when you think about the volume of data that's been